How's it going, YouTube? We're back with my 2006 F250 auction truck, and we are going to tackle that trailer brake control error that comes up on the dash. So let's take a look at what that error is. So in my last video, we pulled out the cluster and we did a cold solder fix on the cluster, and we found out that we have a TBC fault on the trailer brake controller here. Now, looking online, there's tons of different things. But what I found was kind of interesting is apparently there's a solder joint that can go bad in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach behind this, unplug this, and then push it out and check if the solder in that is bad. Just because if we have one solder bad, having two, let's see if we get that lucky. So once it comes out, you can just push it out and then unplug it afterwards. Super easy to do. And I found that there was this little plastic piece that was sitting in here, but it's broken, so you know. That's okay. Let me find a small screwdriver to go ahead and open this up, and we'll take a look. So, I got this off. There's a couple screws that are like a special kind. Make sure you have something that fits, because I tried to use a flathead that fits in. It took out two of them, but then it stripped the third one, so I ended up, it was on the other piece, taking an angle grinder to it to get the head of the screw off, and then I went and found the right screwdriver and was able to get it all the way undone. But that one right there, and potentially the one next to it, so definitely this one, potentially this one over here, are going to be giving us our problems. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I will get my my soldering iron heating up. I will get my solder and I will clean this off because it's pretty dusty in here. And hopefully we can just go ahead and solder those and fix the issue. Okay, so what I did was just took some 99% isopropyl alcohol with a couple Q-tips, got it wet down in there, and then dried it off really good. So now there's no dust on those connectors. My solder's ready to go. And we're going to go ahead and just tappy it and be good to go. I got some new solder put on those two, and now let's go ahead and see if we start this truck up. Door jar. Hold on. And it goes straight to the mileage. So let's start the truck. And it's no longer giving us that error code. So those two solder joints, one of those two down there that I did, fixed it for my truck, which is awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn the truck off. I'll unplug this, put the casing back together, and fully reinstall it. We're fully reinstalled. Let's go ahead and see. It's going to say door jar. I'll shut that. Yep. Perfect. So the other thing I was curious about is there's no check engine light on this truck, but let's just, yep, okay. I wanted to make sure the check engine light lit up with the engine off, because otherwise that can be a sign that the previous owner pulled the bulb. But check engine light is on right now. Start the truck and it goes right off. And also this light should go off after a couple seconds, which it does. And then that one's just saying I'm unbuckled. So let's go ahead and make sure that light goes out. Yep. So this truck, 349,720 miles and no lights. That's impressive. So, thanks for joining me on another quick video with the 2006 F250. Now that we have replaced the battery to get the truck up and running, fires up great now. We have resoldered that piece in the speedometer to get the odometer working, and we have now resoldered the piece in the trailer brake controller in order to get the trailer brake air to go away. I think the truck's ready to go up for sale. So I'm hoping, I think maybe tomorrow I have a FedEx package coming that might be my titles. If that's the case, I stopped earlier today and got pictures of this truck down by the lake where I live, and it's ready to go up on Facebook Marketplace. So with any luck, maybe she'll be sold in a couple days, because I'm gonna let it go at a pretty good price. But that's all I have for now, and join me as we go through some of these other vehicles and get them all ready for the same fate. So until next time.